Hey everyone! Today we are checking out the Crankbrothers M19 Multi Tool and Gemhandpump combo. This matte black and red toolkit includes 19 essential functions for every single trailside repair. The high tensile steel construction ensures that every single bit stays strong under very heavy pressure. Paired with the short Gemhandpump, you can quickly handle flat tires anywhere you go. This pump features a clever dual piston designed for high volume or high pressure pumping modes. Both items are compact enough to fit perfectly inside your jersey pocket or a small saddle bag. Stay prepared for your next big cycling adventure with this reliable and stylish emergency gear set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.